Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube channel for home decor. Don't forget to subscribe. In this video, we are going to talk about 6 timeless design styles for your home that never go out of date. You're going to always look chic and stylish, starting with neutral. Neutrals are just kind of one of those color palettes that are just super relaxing. It feels good walking into your home. It's balanced, it's calm, it's clean, and it really just erases the stress of a long day. Now, also the good thing about neutrals is that it can be done in a variety of home design styles. Even though neutral is a style, you could do neutral farmhouse, you can do neutral boho, you can do neutral industrial if you wanted to. There's so many ways to do it. Number 2, black and white. Now there is a reason that this is called the classic. We all have seen someone that has decorated or designed their home in elements of black and white. It's very chic, it's very elegant, and it's very easy to do. You don't have to have a lot of design experience or home decor skills to really develop and curate a beautiful black and white room. Number 3, blue and white. Now shades of blue paired with shades of white is just yet another timeless color scheme that isn't going anywhere quickly. Now, did you know that blue is the favorite color of most of the people in the world? I didn't know that. I was mind blown. And a great thing about the color blue, there's so many shades and variations, tones that you can choose from. Navy blue, Tiffany blue, powder blue, midnight blue. You have so many different options, and when you pair it with white, it just works. Now, if you are a fan of coastal decor, beach type decor, blue and white is the perfect color palette for you. And also you can apply it to different design and decor styles like Scandinavian. Even throw it in with a little bit of farmhouse, some industrial, and of course tropical and coastal. Number 4, jewel tones. Now honestly, this is one of my favorite timeless classic design styles, and you may think that this is just very new and trendy, but it's not. Decorating in these beautiful, rich, opulent colors has been around for ages and will continue to do so. Let me know in the comment section, how do you all feel about jewel tone colors and fabrics and wall coverings and just home decor styles in general? Because when I tell you I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. A lot of you know that I love the jungle glam style, and I feel like jewel tones are really close. A lot of times some of the same color schemes are in there, but this is just beautiful, especially for people who love color. Number 5, warm, earthy tones. Now, some of you may argue and say that this is the same as neutrals, and actually, on one hand, you would be right. This is a form of neutrals. However, people are starting to specifically go for warm, earthy tones in the neutral family to decorate their homes. Now, some people feel that neutrals can be a little chilly. It can be a little cold, almost like a silver versus a gold, how silver is kind of cool and gold is kind of warm. So a lot of people think that the traditional neutrals, or what we know as neutrals, the kind of beige, the white, that they are pretty cool, and the warm earthy tones are a lot warmer. So as you can see, this has a palette of tans, amber, some beige, some rust, just kind of colors and elements. I always think of a Southwestern style when I think of this color palette. It's very cozy, it's very welcoming. If you come into a room in a warm and earthy tones, you're just gonna feel good. It's like a big hug. Number 6, pink and white. So last but not least, let's take a look at this beautiful pink and white combination. Now, I know what you're thinking, like this is some teeny bopper Instagrammers trend and it will be out of style in the next 2.5 weeks. But listen, pink and white has been in style for years and will continue to be so. I remember growing up, my grandmother had a room, or actually a few rooms, in the color scheme pink and white. Pink and white is so feminine, it's so soft, think shabby chic. But the beautiful thing about pink, very similar to blue, is that you're gonna have different tones and shades. You're gonna have some really soft pastel pinks if that's what you're going for, or you can have bold in your face fuchsia. You can have hot pink. You can have all of these really energizing tones as well. So last but not least, I wanted to show you some of my favorite rooms from this video. You guys, I'm one of those people, I just like beautiful home decor. It doesn't really matter the decor style. I mean, I just love it, especially this black and white and gold. It was so beautiful, as well as this blue. If you like this video, you know what to do. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to actually watch this video. If you want to see a little bit more, check out this one or this one. Just hit one of the videos. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.